make hot sauce myself because I have high blood pressure, and hot sauce has basically 3 ingredients: salt, peppers, and vinegar. And I wanted to make a hot sauce without the salt. So I figured out how to add some flavor in place of the salt. I'm gonna show you how to make a cilantro mango hot sauce. Today we're using 2 peppers. We're using serranos, which if a jalapeno is here, serrano is here, habanero is here, and pretty much nightmares are above habaneros. So do what you want with those. And then we're using shoshito peppers. They are similar to a sweet pepper. So if you can find a bag of sweet peppers, use those. Actually, I've already roasted those in the air fryer / broiler. So I got everything nice and charred. And so what I'm gonna do is show you how simple this is. A ½ cup of vinegar. Beautiful peppers. So what I'm gonna do is just cut the stems off of our peppers. So we're gonna start with our serranos. All the heat is in the capsaicin, which is in the seeds in there. But I'm not taking that out. So I'm gonna use 4 of these peppers. I experiment, and I encourage you to experiment with whatever type of pepper you want and whatever other types of ingredients that you want. Now let's add some layers of flavor. This sauce definitely needs cilantro. So I got the cilantro tops in here, and now I'm gonna add some mango. So now we have some fresh mango. Feel free to go to the freezer aisle and get a bag of fresh mangoes. Frozen mangoes, or whatever fruit you like. And let's add a little more flavor. So we're gonna add some of our roasted garlic infused olive oil. And we just want this to smooth it out and add a little bit more flavor. So this is probably about 4 tablespoons. And when you're using hot sauce, especially max heat hot sauce, you're not using a lot. So if you have 4 tablespoons of olive oil in there, it's not bad per what your serving is. I'm gonna add some black pepper, curry powder, and I'm gonna add some more paprika. So I'm just gonna take the cap off. So I have all the ingredients in there. All I have to do is blend this up. And I just wanted to get to a sort of a creamy consistency of like a tomato soup. Pour this in a pot and put it on simmer. And pretty much your lowest setting, all you want is for the heat and the spices to come together. And so what I'm gonna do is just pour this sauce in here. I'm just gonna let this go. And what I'm gonna do is put a lid on it, let it go for about 20 more minutes.